Circling Judas' bed and breakfast is the Burlington Zephyr. This train broke a land speed record. The model is all solid cast aluminum. Next on my display, we have the Mayor's Mansion. And above that, riding on a raised track, is the John Wilkes. All these trains are O-gauge. The John Wilkes was a contemporary streamliner, and it is hauling blue coal. This coal came out of the Huber Breaker in Ashley. And what was fun was that a friend of mine actually got the original die from the breaker. And this is the die that they used, and we colored the coal in our coal cars. We have a little shopping village that's serviced by a probably 50s or 40s era bus. And above that, we have the General Grant, and it's pulling consist of several passenger cars for soldiers. Above that, we have our Christmas train, which is a replica of a early Lionel tin plate train. And on the top, we have the Keystone Coal and Coke Company. This engine would have been made in Pennsylvania, and it is pulling a couple ore cars. And that is our 6 trains in a Christmas tree train layout. Let's see them operate.